Solar-based businesses around Australia. I'm just going to give you a quick video here on a couple of results we've got from the previous month. Now, the reason that I'm doing this is because I want you to understand that these results are achievable, provided you follow the system. So the first company here is an Adelaide-based solar company. The second one is a Perth-based solar company. Regardless, it doesn't really matter where you're located. The point behind this video is to communicate to you that it is possible, provided you do the right things and you have the right systems deployed for your business. So just a really quick overview here. These are both Meta, so Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns. And the first one in Adelaide had 223 leads, $64 per lead, closed 27 jobs to a value of just over $500,000. And their return on that was 3,500% for the month. The company in Perth, again, Meta leads, 114 leads, $26 a lead, 12 jobs closed, $123,000 worth of job closed value. And their return on that is 4,100%. So again, the important mentions here is these are very strong cost per leads, first of all, for this vertical. They have a very, very high return. So, these are very, very strong returns, largely due to some of the other things that are in the works at the moment with rebates and all these cool things that are working for you solar guys. This is about consistency. So when we start working with these customers, it's about helping identify for them, how do we move and scale with consistency so that we're navigating the ups and downs that sometimes happens when it comes to, growing a business. So this is about consistency, and these businesses are always trending on the up, which is part of our impact roadmap sessions that we run with our clients at the early stages. And again, without that, it's almost impossible to, you need those targets in place in order for you to hit them. Otherwise, what are you shooting at, right? Some of the stakeholders that are involved within this process for these solar businesses include obviously account management, which basically ties in things like strategy, media buying, creatives, technology, automations, artificial intelligence, so on and so forth. We have humans that we deploy into these businesses to manage sales pipelines. And then we have the clients, which are out there actively closing jobs based off training that we provide them and things that we can do to help them improve their conversions throughout the different stages of the sales process. And that, by the way, is a very, very deliberate system that we've developed for solar businesses. So I thoroughly encourage you guys to check that out. It does make a huge difference when it comes to conversions. So this system, again, really is designed, I suppose, for your solar-based businesses, roofing companies, renovation experts, so on and so forth. The way the system works is, first of all, like I mentioned, it starts with a strategy. Without that, you can't do anything. Off the back of that, we lay foundations, which does include sometimes deploying technology, AI, setting up some automations. Overall, I suppose, just deploying a really strong sales and marketing system, which we've refined over the years and we know works very well. Sometimes we integrate team, sometimes we don't, depending on the constraints of the business. We'll launch the campaigns, which includes a lot of research, a lot of data, which of course we have a lot of aggregate data across the board from working with hundreds and hundreds of businesses over the years. Conceptual design, creative, media buying, account management, so on and so forth. And then essentially we just loop that and we keep developing the impact roadmaps to make sure that we're constantly striving towards the new objectives. So if that's something that you would like in your business, in your solar business, or anything that's kind of trade-based, project-based, or even if it's job-based, we have another video in the description below, which is speaking more to job-based verticals. Go check that one out if you're a plumber or a sparky or whatever it might be. But head across to tradiewebguys.com.au and just start the conversation over there. Honestly, you've got nothing to lose. These systems are working so well for trade businesses all over the place, and we can't wait to have a chat with you. Ciao.